slip the fastener onto the tube. Pull out the drain cap of the draining port. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port using the fastener to tighten. Remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. Ensure the pipe is fully inserted and cannot be pulled out easily. Plug in the power cord. The display shows the current room temperature. Press the on-off button to start making ice. Water automatically fills the tank to the proper level. Each ice-making cycle takes about 8 to 15 minutes, depending on the temperature of the water and the room. The first cycle may take longer. After each cycle, the machine enters ice harvest automatically. Then it starts the next ice-making cycle. If the water level is too low, the Add Water indicator lights up. Pour water into the tank and restart the machine. When the ice bin is full, the Ice Full indicator lights up and the machine stops. Remove the ice, and it will restart after about 3 minutes. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the ice-making time. Each press changes the time by 1 minute, making the ice thicker or thinner. The default value is 0 and resets after restarting. Press the timer button, then use plus or minus to adjust the delay time by 1 hour each time. The default time is 1 hour. The setting range is 1 to 24 hours. After 5 seconds without pressing, the timer icon stays on and the setting is saved. When the timer is active, the display alternates between the timer and the ice-making time. To cancel the timer, press the timer button again. The timer icon will disappear. Hold the timer clean button for 5 seconds to start self-cleaning mode. The cleaning cycle lasts about 20 minutes, circulating water automatically. After cleaning, the unit stops automatically. Press the light button to turn the LED on or off. Hold the light button for 5 seconds to switch the temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit.